Good day, here's the latest news for today. The race for the creation of a vaccine for COVID-19 is nearing its end as various international pharmaceutical companies have rolled out their own vaccines to the public. With this, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental has been keen in determining as to who will be prioritized to receive the vaccine once it becomes available. Let's have Danny of Shama for the details.
Yes, G. During the 40th virtual flag raising ceremony of the provincial capital on Monday, January 18th of this year, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, Provincial IATF Chief, conveyed that the Department of Health recently conducted a training and seminar with regard to the COVID-19 vaccine. In the said training and seminar, DOH classified the priority beneficiaries for the vaccine when it becomes available and actual vaccination occurs. Dr. Kalingasan, on his part, took the initiative to conduct a survey in the province regarding DOH's priority group for vaccination. The priority groups are as follows. In Group A are frontline health workers in public and private facilities, public health workers, barangay health workers, barangay health and emergency response team, DSWD and DILG personnel, and other essential workers. Included in the said list are indigent senior citizens, the indigent population, and uniformed personnel. Meanwhile, teachers and social workers belong to Priority Group B, and the rest, including ordinary citizens, belong to Priority Group C. It is the government's priority to ensure the safety of the people of Misamis Oriental, and Governor Bambi Mana reassures those who are in the priority list to be vaccinated first. This is Danny of Shama, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Danny. In another story, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan gave out an order to disinfect and sanitize the Provincial Governor's Office for 2 straight days, which will be from January 18 to 19, 2021, in an effort to safeguard the public and provincial capital employees in their daily transactions within the capital. Carla Lagutin will tell us more.
Yes, Jing. In accordance to Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan's orders, the Disinfection Committee, headed by Dr. Benjamin Resma, proceeds with the scheduled disinfection and sanitation of the Provincial Governor's Office on Monday, January 18, 2021. The whole office was disinfected and sanitized using a specialized disinfectant spray solution to eliminate if there are any virus elements inside. Disinfecting and sanitizing commenced on Monday, January 18, 2021 and will last up until Tuesday, January 19, 2021. The maintenance team also made sure to wear complete personal protective equipment to protect and secure themselves.
Kami po mismo, secure mismo ko yung gagamit mo ang mga tutiis. Kaya aron na, kada sa mga kamay mamba, delikado ba po?
Said Jury Christopher Ilaco, a member of the disinfection team. He added,
na gani ang decontamination gani nga kuan nga ongoing gani ang decontamination inanglan nato na ipa-istrado kay aron ang ma-secure ang area ayun ang fume dili ito pantungudan mga chemical na gamit ato karon.
Meanwhile, the Provincial Governor's Office will temporarily base its operation at the EM Hall of the Provincial Training Center to avoid disruption of the scheduled activities. PGO have never ceased extending much-needed services and still doing its mandate despite the threat of COVID-19. To further protect the general public, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan keeps on reminding all Misamisnons, especially provincial capital employees, to always sanitize hands and to always wear face mask and face shield. The safety and well-being of provincial capital employees has always been one of Governor Bambi Imano's priorities. Hence, in these trying times, the consistent disinfection and sanitation is necessary and of significant importance. This is Carla Lagutin, aimed towards clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thank you, Carla, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. This is Jean Garrett. Good day.